Howdy do, another nighttime update video because it is fall and the days are getting shorter. I have just about finished the new runner panel thingies for Marduk's new hips. They are made out of wood, so it's going to be much heavier. I will probably need to use my van to pull Marduk upright, so that's going to be a lot of fun. How the leg pylons are going to fit in is at an angle like this. There's already a hole in the lower leg pylons, which I'll be fitting in right here. And the leg pylons will actually be a little too long to fit in this small space, so I'm going to cut a bit off their top and then drill another hole so they fit into this about 12-inch space, as opposed to the mounting holes actually up in the original torso. Kind of dark, but you can vaguely make it out. It's more like about 18 inches of gap. But this new addition to the hips will be, I'll get my measuring stick, increasing Marduk's height by about, 18 inches or so. So Marduk will be going from 10'6" to about 12 feet, making it almost as tall as the Karatas. And also it's going to play a little havoc with the proportions, how the arms will look as compared to the rest of it, but it'll still look, the kind of short and stumpy fellow that we all know and love. Maybe I'll add some actual thigh paneling, and so it'll have maybe a Gundam looking skirt up on the hips, and then an extra little false thigh to sort of hide this at the actual hips, so makes it look a little taller, legs a little lankier, so more of a Gundam-esque proportion, I guess. I don't know if I'm gonna put a brace down there, because I've already got one up there, and the legs are actually slightly different widths, because when I had it in the old hips, I actually had the left side, both posts for the leg pylons were on the inside, but for this side I had one leg pylon on the inside, one leg pylon on the outside. So hopefully with this, both of them are going to be on the inside. I'm going to do a test fitting, I don't know, maybe tomorrow morning or next week, because I've got a busy weekend ahead of me. I've got other non-mech things to do. So maybe I'll do a video of Marduk upright if I don't have to use my van to lift him up. Oh, until next time, bye-bye.